Your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2 are connected, but something isn't right. Maybe they won't pair properly, the audio keeps cutting out, or they just feel glitchy and unresponsive. It can be really annoying when your earbuds stop working the way they should. The good news is this is a common issue and usually fixable without any tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset and factory reset your Bose earbuds step by step, depending on your model, so make sure you follow each step in order to fix the problem completely. First, let's start with a basic reset because this clears temporary glitches without deleting your settings. This method works for QuietComfort Earbuds 2, QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, and Ultra Open Earbuds. Place both earbuds inside the charging case and make sure the LED lights turn on when you insert them. Now close the lid and connect the charging case to power. Once the LED on the front of the case lights up, press and hold the button on the back of the case. Keep holding it until the front LED turns off, which can take up to 30 seconds. After that, release the button and try using your earbuds again to see if the issue is fixed. If that didn't fix the problem, now let's move to a factory reset, because this clears all settings and restores the earbuds to their original state. First, remove your earbuds from the Bose app. Open the app, go to your account, then Manage Products, tap Edit, select your earbuds, and delete them. Confirm the removal. Next, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and remove all entries related to your earbuds, including any duplicates with LE in the name. Now plug the charging case into a wall charger, not a computer or laptop, because proper power is important for this step. Place both earbuds into the case and keep the lid open. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on the back of the case for up to 30 seconds. You will see the status light start blinking blue, but keep holding the button. It will then blink white twice, slowly blink blue, and turn off. Once that happens, release the button. The status light should blink white 5 times, glow amber, and then slowly blink blue. This confirms the earbuds have been restored and are ready to pair again. Now let's move to the standard QuietComfort earbuds. Start with a reset because this can fix minor issues quickly. Place both earbuds in your ears. Touch and hold one earbud for about 15 seconds until you hear a tone, then repeat the same step for the other earbud. After that, touch and hold one earbud for 1 second to power it back on, then repeat for the second one. Once both are on, check if they are working normally. If the issue is still there, now let's do a factory reset. First, remove your earbuds from the Bose app. Open the app, go to Settings, and select Disconnect Headphones, then Confirm. Next, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and remove all entries related to your earbuds, including duplicates with LE in the name. Now make sure both earbuds are in your ears. Touch and hold the right earbud for about 7 seconds until you hear Ready to Pair, followed by a tone. Release when you hear the tone. This means the earbuds have been restored to their original settings and are ready to connect again. That's it for resetting and restoring your Bose earbuds. You've now covered the most common fixes for connection and performance issues. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you or you still have a question, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.